Welcome to All Things Simplified. This is a quick video using our knowledge of anatomy and pathophysiology, demonstrating location of heart sounds in the different valvular abnormalities. First, let's review the anatomy of the heart. Blood flows from right atrium through tricuspid valve to right ventricle, which then goes out to pulmonic valve to the lungs. Blood gets oxygenated from the lungs and goes to left atrium through mitral valve to left ventricle, then pushed out through aortic valve to the upper body from branches of the aortic arch and lower body, by descending aorta, and back to right atrium from inferior and superior vena cava that return blood from upper and lower body. Our main focus today is aortic regurgitation. This A of valvular abnormality where the valve does not close properly, causing the backflow of blood into the lower left chamber, left ventricle. This phenomenon is most likely due to rheumatic fever, endocarditis over time, Marfan, syphilis, and some form of immunological DO over time, such as RA, SLE, and ankylosing spondylitis. In regards to where one will hear aortic regurgitation, let's use our knowledge of anatomy. Typically, blood flows from left atrium to left ventricle, then to aorta. However, the pathophysiology in this is that there is a backflow of blood from the aorta due to some valvular abnormality, and left atrium carrying out its normal function of pushing blood forward into the LV, left ventricle. In that being said, think of two rivers collide or crashing into each other. It creates a turbulence or rumbling sound, a mid to late diastolic, aka ventricular filling, rumbling as the backflow and forward flow of blood collides at mid to late ventricular filling. That rumbling sound is called Austin Flint murmur and is heard at the apex. To remember this, Austin was the Red Power Rangers. As we know, superheroes are usually powerful, and so is two bodies of water meeting each other. We also hear another sound at the LUSB, a decrescendo high-pitch, blowing diastolic murmur. Anatomically, the root of the aorta and the aortic valve sits posterior between the second and third intercostal space at the LUSB. A regurgitative backflow of blood from a high-pressure aorta during early diastole or ventricular filling against low-pressure LV is heard at its anatomical landmark, LUSB, between the second and third intercostal space. Diastolic murmurs are soft and easily missed. Leaning forward brings heart closer to chest wall, and exhale reduces lung tissue around the heart, between stethoscope and heart, hence auscultation of aortic regurgitation. Best heard with leaning forward with holding one's breathe on exhalation.